Welcome to the Hennessey channel live. Finally, that streaming is still not working. So my name is Khadija. I am the CEO of Hennasooq, and welcome. I specialize in henna natural hair color and Ayurvedic hair care. You're joining me today because we're doing another hair challenge. Yes, we are. So how many of you have taken part in the 30-day hair challenge that we did in August? That one was when we did soap nut hair wash, the Moroccan detox mud mask, right? And we had that. That was really nice. I love that mud mask so much. What else did we have? We did, I believe, the Ayurvedic hair oil. I'm just looking at it over here. We did so many great products, and then there was another one. I'm just drawing blanks today. Sukesh Ayurveda, I'm sure is what it was. But in September, we're gonna have something extra, more bonuses. And not only that, I definitely, for August, I want to remind you all, and I'm going to post it in the link below in case you might have missed it. I just want to make sure that you submit for August. After we're done, I'll add that into the website here right below in the description after the live is closed out. You have to fill out like a final survey form with all the information. If you're on a mailing list, you'll also get it, or just a reminder that you fill out that whole survey with all the information that what you did, what you accomplished. You just do the whole thing. It's really easy, actually. It's just a lot of yes and no and a little bit of details. It shouldn't take you more than like a few minutes to finish out. And if you've been doing it as you go along, even better. We started hair challenges in July. So July and August, all those people are getting a very special something as well that we're going to be emailing them directly about. What I'm going to do differently for September is that I want to make it a little, I think, easier. I found that, we're going to focus on a product of the week. But what I want to do this time, which I wish I kind of would have done a little earlier, I think it makes it easier to do the hair challenge, especially if you want free shipping and you live in the US, because free shipping is on orders of $45 or more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 50% off discount code. It'll have to be a code because it has to be specific to those who are following along and doing the hair challenge specifically. It's a code only for those doing the hair challenge. Otherwise, everything is regular price, which these are the products we'll be doing. Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, Sweet Honey Shampoo Bar. We're going to be doing Fenugreek, and we're going to be doing the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher. And why did I choose these products? I chose these products specifically because they're really good for transitioning. I understand that not all of us live in the same type of climate, but especially those where we're transitioning to like a bit cooler, even if it's just cooler weather in general, right? The weather changing, that is a good time to start adding more moisture, and honey. Like this will draw extra moisture from the air. And fenugreek, it's moisture. So we're really focusing on moisture. Cassia is infused with all of these, no henna, just cassia, and every single of these, it's my Sweet Honey line and fenugreek. So we're gonna kind of put this all together. I'm gonna have some bonus recipes and some fun stuff for you guys to check out. This, I'm gonna make an honorable mention, is a favorite of even Natural 85, Whitney. She loves this one, always raves about it. She's done reviews and talked about it, so it's really amazing that she really loves that. And she has her own line, so it's really nice that she really just loves that deep conditioner that we make. And there will be 50% off with that special code for like the whole month of the hair challenge. So that way, as soon as you're ready, well, the earlier the better, obviously, you can scoop these up. These 4 products will be 50% off. So this is usually 18. This is going to be 9. This is usually 7. So that's going to be like $3.50, right? My math is good. This is usually 12. It's going to be 6. Fenugreek, I don't remember the price by heart. I think this is like around 8. So like $4. I mean, Amazon ain't got nothing on us. Plus, Amazon doesn't got anything on the quality that we share. Like, our quality is, pure essential oils, finely sifted, real natural raw ingredients, real honey, I hand select the honey that we use. I just all the ingredients are so very important. So you guys are going to love, love, love these. These are like not products that people. It's I say very rare someone doesn't like any of these. Of course, if you use these by this fenugreek by itself, you might need to strain it. That's the only thing. It kind of acts like cream and wheat. But that slip and mucilage, ooh, that's moisture. Moisture, moisture, moisture. So also after this live, I'm going to put, as soon as it's ready, because remember, it's not September yet. So this hair challenge starts September 1st. And I'll also be live again this Thursday on Instagram. So if you follow us at Hennasooq on Instagram, you'll also be live. And then we're going to go a little deeper on Instagram because we're going to start focusing on some of the products for that week. These ones, and kind of roll into that. And I want to share a lot more things with you because I'm going to kind of like play around with these and make a few like extra videos for you guys. So that way you can see like really small ways that you can use each of these products and really easily. And then you also have a rhythm of like, for the whole challenge, of the month, you're going to be using these in the way that recommend. There'll be a whole guide and tips and everything to really get you started. So yeah, I'm excited about this one because I do like the Sweet Honey line a lot and the Fenugreek, and I love that it all comes together like that. I think it's going to be amazing. I do have some good news for my Maryland and for everyone around the whole nation, everyone tuning in. If you are ever in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, we are in Maryland, but those areas are pretty close enough that you can get to us because I'm looking at places. Yeah, I told you guys last time I was live, right? I was like, let me put that out in the air. Let me put that energy out there. I've been looking at places. There's a place that I really like in Columbia, Maryland. Oh, I like it. It's really, but I'm nervous at the same time. You got to take these big leaps, right, to make things happen. So, I'm really, really nervous about that. Oh, I do want to say that keep watching to the end because I have something for you guys. I'm going to be doing something special at the end. So stay tuned. Yeah, Austria, do you ship your... Oh, yes, we ship worldwide, by the way. So wherever... And Puerto Rico, for sure. I mean, Puerto Rico is part of the U.S., so... Yeah, Virgin Islands, of course, we ship to Austria. Yes, we have no restrictions for countries. It's just USPS restrictions sometimes. And I do have good news about UPS. Before the holidays hit, we are choosing UPS as a secondary. You'll have another choice of shipping method because, USPS last year, I know some of you in the room have been with us for many years, know that USPS was really bad last year. I mean, COVID, we don't know what, I don't want to make anyone nervous, but we don't know what's going on with COVID. This is a new normal. We don't know. Like importing even over the summer was really bad. Some of you were waiting a long, like another month or so to get products. And it's just been, and I want to thank you all for your patience because anything that we have with products and orders and pre-ordering, we never do anything purposely to have something bad happen to your order. Like we want you to have your order. We want to do a good job. We want you guys to be happy. Those things are important to us. And I know many of you who have been with us so long are patient and trust us, so that's really important to me. I just wanted to say that. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So UPS should officially be working, I hope, this week because that's when I have a meeting with them, with the local branch manager. So that'll be good. Yeah. To shipping to Spain is usually okay, but Spain, like Italy, has even Brazil, they have some strict importing regulations. So I don't know. You have to, if you want to order from you're in certain countries, you have to be patient. Even South Africa. Oh my goodness, South Africa, Kuwait. Oh, we had one order going to a client in February. Guess when she got it? 2 weeks ago. We even gave her like a refund. Like we had already given her a refund because that was so unusual. Like it took that long, but she was honest. She could have just taken the products and been like, oh yeah, I don't have to say anything because the tracking usually it works well, you know, and so we ended up seeing that. Of course, she ended up receiving it. We could see it on her end, but it's like things can slip through the cracks, but she was so honest. And she's like, oh, you can charge me. And what a great person, you know? And I hope that she gets 10 times blessings, rewards. I don't know, something amazing happens to her in her life because that was so kind of her. Though actually, so Trino's asking, will there be another form for the yes, there will be another form, like a survey to fill. No, it's not really a survey. I guess it's a form. You know, it's a form that you have to fill out for the hair challenge. So July had one, August had one. Those are all on the website on our blog. So if you go to hennasooq.com, you click Henna 101. You know, just go to the actual blog. There'll be something like to say like go to our blog. The hair challenges are very clearly like right there. Oh, you know what I want to do? And I'm gonna have to put a survey out there because I would love. I think with this new space, I'm really thinking about like, yes, it's gonna be Hennasooq, but I also think I want to carry a few other things. Like I'm thinking about carrying Oil and Handmade, and I know, guys, I love them. I really, really love their products, and it works well with our brand. I love them. I was thinking about carrying candles. If any of you know local, I would prefer local women owned, minority owned especially. I really want to put money back into the community. I think I would love to carry candles. You know, I love candles. I mean, I have a weakness for candles and plants, so just had to put it out there. But if you have any recommendations of products you want us to carry in Columbia, Maryland, I'm thinking I would like to carry a few products. September will probably be our last hair challenge for the year because October rolls right into we're gonna do all the special boxes, and we're gonna kind of do something different. All the boxes come out, so get ready to like get your your hair products and your stock up for the year, because you know how we have all those bundle boxes at a really low price. Those are all going to be available, and those sell out really really quick. Like some of them are going to be $10, $15, $20. They're like huge, amazing deals, and they always sell out a lot. So stay tuned for that. And of course, we're going to keep looking at places. Next week, I'm going to be looking at locations, and then I will be making a final decision. I definitely still want to be in Columbia, Maryland, so that's right, or Howard County. So I'm going to be in this area. So you guys can pin that we're going to be in this area. If you do live in the area or you're close by, come into town, you are always welcome to come by and see us. So Taris and Pamela, you guys are asking about the 50%. So this 50% off sale for this particular product is for September 1st. I'll definitely post it, but it's not going to be like active. So you're going to have to wait till September 1st because we're still giving everyone until August 31st to submit all their information for the August challenge first. So what is the best way to use it? Mix it with other products? Are you talking about the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher? There are some instructions on how to use it. I say this one should just be used by itself. Honestly, like use the Sweet Honey or Hair Nourisher on its own. It's very, very deep conditioning. Oh, I love how that focus. Look at that focus. Look how it looks like, guys, on the bottom. I mean, we use cassia powder directly. We don't use these oil extracts and all that other stuff. This is pure. Even here, look, you can see the cassia. See that little spot you see? That little spot there, that's cassia. And it smells like lemongrass. All of these smell like lemongrass. They're so yum, yum, yum. Herbally, yum, delicious. Yeah, you can see that one. And these are all handmade at Hennasooq. We make all of these directly ourselves. These products are all made. And then Fenugreek is, imported in and packaged for us. I will be seeing you guys, don't forget, Thursday. It'll probably be 7 p.m. Eastern time zone on Instagram Live. And we're going to be going a little deeper into these products. I will still have more bonuses. I've always got something up my sleeve. All right, my loves, I will see you soon. I'll see you definitely Thursday live. And congrats to the winners again. And stay tuned for more goodies. Good. So 78 people. I wish you all an amazing Sunday. Enjoy. And I will see you soon. And stay tuned. We have another new video coming out on Tuesday. Another new Ask Hennasooq on Thursday. And then, of course, Sunday, I got a new drop for you too that you guys are going to love. I will see you soon. Have a great day.